what's up guys, Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on my new bag. You guys, I'm super excited. I'm reviewing the Louis Vuitton Alma PM handbag. Now this one just has the handle like this. I'm super excited, you guys. I've been wanting this bag forever. I did get this off of Poshmark, which I'm super excited about. Go ahead and click the link in the description so you could go to my boutique, Dassah'S hair boutique. Also sign up for Poshmark. There's so many luxury brands that you guys could shop there for like half off, discounted, everything like that. For my boutique, if you guys buy 2 or more things, I believe it's like 50% off or something like that, so definitely check it out. But I did get this one. It just came in the mail today, and I just love like the monogram. I'm just super excited for this. So let's go ahead and open it. You guys can see the inside. This is how it looks here, and it just has the brown in the inside, as you can see, and it's very well made. I like the how large it is, all the compartments, very spacious. And then you guys see on the zipper, it does have the LV on the zipper. I'm just super happy with it. And when I did my backpack, I did have this wallet, so I'm going to go ahead and match it up with my bag, which I'm super excited about. And I did get a off-brand strap right here, which I'm going to put on so you guys can see how it looks. Now you guys can get this yourself off of Amazon. I will leave the link below. Let's see how it looks on. Here it is with the strap attached to it. You can see how it looks. I did think that it had 2 hooks, but it didn't, so I had to like, that's how the strap goes. So in the future I might switch it out and get a better strap, but for now this is good. But you guys, I'm absolutely obsessed. Like I said, I will leave the link below. Let me know if you guys have this. I know they have like a mini version and this is the big version, but if you guys do have this bag, let me know what you think about it. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.